to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you simple ways to take aesthetic notes. The first thing I like to do is go on Pinterest and get some ideas for titles and subheadings. Once I've finished, I'll select a few. The next thing I like to do is choose a colour scheme. These will help your notes to look more organised, easy to read and effective. I also like to pick 3 similar colours so that my notes don't clash. To make my notes look more aesthetic, I like to have a good title. I use titles to separate topics, add information and summarise notes. I often like combining calligraphy with highlighters to create my titles. The first thing I'll do is I'll create a pattern with my highlighters and then I'll add calligraphy with black ink. Having clear titles makes it easier for revision, more legible to read, and more structured. When I draw my subheadings, I like to use a range of colours so that they stand out. This will help you when it comes to revision, as you'll be able to see your subheadings more clearly. Here are a few examples and ideas for your subheadings and titles that I drew out. The next thing I like to use for my notes are sticky notes. Sticky notes are really helpful because they're appeasing to the eye and can be really practical as well. There are many things you can use sticky notes for, like for using them in your planners, or to write key dates and events. I like to use sticky notes to test myself with definitions. So I'll write the definitions on the sticky note and then underneath it I'll write the meaning, and that way I'll test myself. This method can be helpful for revision as well as looking aesthetic. Thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video.